Introducing the all-new 2024 Volvo XC40 Recharge T4 Plus. With only 2,000 miles on the clock, this stunning black estate is both fuel efficient and powerful, with its 1.5-litre petrol-electric engine and automatic transmission. Packed with luxury features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, and ambient lighting, this car ensures a comfortable and safe ride every time. With ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking, you can drive with peace of mind. Plus, the added convenience of features like hands-free boot release and wireless charging make this vehicle a top choice. Rest assured, this Volvo has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check and is covered by a comprehensive warranty. Contact us at Spirit Motor Group or visit our website spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information. Drive into the future with the Volvo XC40 Recharge T4 Plus.